Hi guys, my name is Chandramani, and today we will learn the installation process of Windows Server 2012. 2012, but it's not a GUI process, it's a core process. I think in previous video we have learned the installation process of GUI and graphical user interface. I think we have done installation done 2012 in GUI process, but this video is installation Windows Server 2012 in core. Okay, so let's start. Next, and select the ISO file. Next, and here we can choose standard Windows Server 2012 R2 standard core. Okay, then press next, otherwise I can give the password also by here. So okay, done. Next, and it asking the location where you want to set this VST file. VMWare Win 2012 core. Okay, I'm so sorry, I just write the name also. Core, then click next. So as per your requirement you can give the RAM also, but I just give 1024 1 GB RAM. Next, then next, you can give the disk size also. Next. So now the Windows Server 2012 installation process been started, but it's not a GUI edition, it's a core edition. We are going to install that is standard of Windows Server 2012. Let me do this full screen so it will looks pretty good. Okay, I think process been started, same as GUI interface, but something different. Okay, again it asking which edition and which edition you want to install. It's showing the server core installation, it's data cylinder and standard, right? We need to install the standard, so I just choose the option and click the next. Now the process will start. So same things in whatever the process we followed at the time of installation GUI, the same process should be followed in the server core also. It will take some time to install, getting ready for the installation process, all those things. So till the time we just pause the video. Once the installation process will done, we will come back again. Okay, so the installation process done. If you look at here, now it's installing the VMWare tool setup, which will help you out to configure and make proper setting to our virtual machines to VMware. So now it's restarting. It takes for some time. Once the restart, we will log in and then server code. It's really new look of Windows Server 2012, and most of the people are not using core based operating system, but really it is very secure and security, very security, high security based edition, very simple, and all the roles are not supported in core edition. Some of the roles supported in core edition. So before you planning the installation of server core edition, you have to be understand, you have to be read only the prerequisites, things which you need to do, right? If you wanted to install make one WDA server, if you wanted to planning for install Windows Server 2012 core edition, it would won't be so. You should understand the things. So some of the rule is not supported in core edition. Okay, so now the thing is done. For this simple configuration, for the basic setting of configuration for the core edition, there is one command I just gonna to tell you, that is sconfig, right? I'm just entering. See, this is the basic setting you have to be do before doing anything else in server core edition, right? The first edition is showing this domain or workgroup, right? And you wanted to change the computer name, right? So choose the one options 2 and press enter. Okay, the computer, enter the new computer name. So what name you want to give? I can give DC2. Okay, enter. So it asking the restart, but I don't want to restart right now. We'll do something, we'll do change something on this, we'll configure something, then we will restart. So I just press no option, right? Then the same thing is asking over here. So what should we do? Like one second option where we change the name, but we have not restarted, that's why showing that name. Okay, add local administrator, configure remote management, it's enabled. Windows update setting is manual, but we need to do automatical over here. So press 5, enter. So it asking A for automatic and M for manual, right? Just click over here. So enable automatic updates. Okay, it's very simple to configure all these things in okay, system will check and install updates every day, right? This time. And again, what we should do, like remote desktop is disabled, but we have to enable remote desktop also. So 7, enter. So for enable E, disable remote desktop, B, right? So I just type E and press. So allow only clients running remote desktop with network label authentication, allow clients running any version of remote desktop. So I just press 2, enter. So enabling remote desktop, clients running any version of, right? It is also done. So now time to change IP subnet mask, gateway and everything. So for that we have to choose the option 8 option, which is network setting. Okay, in the network setting, available network adapter, it is showing that. Okay, select network adapter index. Okay, so index it's 10. Okay, and network adapter is showing over here. Select option, which option you want to set network adapter address, set DNS server, network adapter address, right? So first option should be select D for type D for DHCP and S for static. So we need to give static IP, so I have to be type static IP S for here and press enter. Set the static IP, which I need to give 192.168.1.7. so this is my IP address, and just press enter. So it asking the enter subnet mask also, not required to change subnet mask, default is that. Okay, it's okay, no way. no problem. And it asking the default gateway, that is what 192.168.1.1. It's okay. So now the IP configuration part is done. It's time to configure the DNS of ours, right? So for that I have to be types second option. Okay, so enter the new preferred DNS server. What is my DNS of 192.168.1.5? It's my DNS server. Okay, so preferred DNS. Okay, so it asking the alternative DNS server, so I don't have the alternative DNS, so let it be blank. Okay, so everything is done from my side. Okay, so no need to configure things, so I have to press, type 4. So we will return to main menu. Okay, now it's come the main menu, which we get these options after type sconfig command, right? So for the everything is done. So now it's time to restart the server, right? So press type 13, press. So are you sure you want to restart? Yes, I'm sure. So everything is done. Now the server is restarting. Okay, and it is very easy. I hope you understand all these things, and it will help you out to configure server core edition in Windows Server 2012. Thanks for watching this video, and the next part we will configure, we will add some roles to Windows Server 2012 and core edition. So keep watching this video. If you find any mistake, any queries, any concern, any comments, you can type and comment box. Thanks for watching this video.